Today we're going to be making this beautiful wreath for spring and summer. Let's get started. You're going to need a wreath ring, some fake flowers, a fake vine, a hot glue gun, and a bunch of hot glue sticks. So you're going to get the end of the vine and start tying it with wire onto the wreath ring. Now you're going to wrap and glue the fake vine onto the wreath ring, like so. Now we're going to take some fake leaves and we're going to hot glue them individually onto the wreath as fillers. It makes the wreath look more full and big. Now you're going to take your fake flowers and you're going to start gluing them onto the wreath. Make sure to put a generous amount of hot glue so they don't fall off when you hang it up. You can have whatever shape, size, and color flowers you want. I kind of did like a sunflower theme. Now I'm just adding some smaller flowers and plants as a finishing touch. And this is what it looks like on my door. It's super pretty and easy to make. You should try it out too. Thank you for watching. Bye.